Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study pathology in medical school. Only way. Start by mastering disease mechanisms, then link each mechanism to a real patient scenario and common exam patterns, prioritize high-yield topics, and schedule daily active recall sessions with spaced repetition, supplementing with targeted pathology images and summary tables to build pattern recognition and confident clinical reasoning. Build a predictable study workflow. Preview a topic, create a clean concept map, then read a concise review while annotating the map, and immediately convert key facts into focused flashcards. Practice at least one clinical vignette after every study session to test application. Keep sessions short and consistent to prevent burnout while maximizing daily progress and long-term retention. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: I love using a Kindle for reading pathology summaries and practice cases on the commute. It makes review portable and distraction-free. Look in the description for the Kindle Paperwhite link and other deals if you want to grab one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Choose resources that fit your learning style, like a trusted atlas for morphology and concise videos for mechanisms, then commit to regular slide review and case bank practice. Schedule weekly active testing and teach-back sessions in small groups to solidify concepts. Balance depth with breadth by rotating topics and focusing on common clinical presentations that appear frequently on exams.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.